Hello everyone and very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Nambiar District 25 Phase 3, a project developed by Nambiar Builders, and this project is located off Sarjapur Road in South Bangalore. And in this teaser we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance of the project. So this will be the main entrance, and once you enter, here's the grand marketing office of the project. And now the land parcel starts from here itself and goes up to 100 plus acres. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So Nambiar District 25 is spread across 100 plus acres of land parcel consisting of different phases. So this is the part of phase 1 and this is phase 2. Now coming up with phase 3 consisting of 6 towers in all, each tower of 3 basement ground plus 32 floors, having exclusive 2, 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Chandapura Dhammasandra Road off Sarjapur Road in Muttanallur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Chandapura Dhammasandra Road. So this road over this side will connect you towards Chandapura, and the opposite side road will take you towards Dhammasandra. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Sarjapur main road in 1.3 kilometers from the project. Wipro Kodati is 4.3 kilometers away and Decathlon is 5 kilometers away from the location of the project. Even the connectivity is excellent, running towards the Red Metro line in just 1 kilometer. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project provides you ultra luxurious world-class amenities like of grand clubhouse of 2.5 lakh square feet with infinity pool, wellness spa, sports arena, includes multi-purpose court, kids play area, landscape garden, cycling and jogging track and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So here the project provides you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and even 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK is of 1250 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1455 to 2046 square feet, and 4 BHK starting from 2560 to 3000 square feet, super built up area. And as now I'm standing inside the model flight itself, so you can have a look, the glimpse of the model flight over here. And even if you want to have a look at the virtual tour of this model flight, you can visit our website and even check out on our channel. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and Nambiar District 25 Phase 3 is currently in pre-launch stage. So our interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model unit as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for EOI. So everyone, this was the project teaser of Nambiar District 25 Phase 3, a project developed by Nambiar Builders, and this project is located off Sarjapur Road in South Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.